Hello friends, welcome back. This is Alam from Jharkhand and today is 14th day of my 30 days English speaking challenge and today I am going to share some new tricks and new simple sentence for your improving your English. Okay, so don't waste your time and please watch this video because its video will be helpful for you. Okay, so my first thing is purpose. Okay, stop translating from Hindi to English and long script follow. Many people think in Hindi them translate into English, but it is not right. Okay, it is for a beginner. When you are a beginner and you are learning this language initially, so you can use Hindi to English. Okay, but if you crossed your beginner level, so you are going to intermediate, and intermediate is a okay. I know in this time will be some problems while the speaking, while the making sentence, so you can use translate Hindi to English, but sometimes for a sometimes, not a any times. Okay, because it is a bad habit for improving your English. You can't never improve your English like this. Okay, so stop translating and try to make sentence in your mind. Okay, this mistakes is your result. Okay, when you are making mistake, so don't fear about it. I am making mistake. Think about your result. What will be my result after crossing this limit? This makes English slow and confusing. Today I will show how to think in English. Okay, because while the speaking, while the learning times, we are feeling fear as well as we are making mistakes. So it's natural for all learners. So no need to think about it. And start with small thoughts like मैं थका हुआ हूँ, I am tired, मैं खुश हूँ, I am happy. Okay, and I am going to few pics in this video and you can make sentence like this. You can see this picture. The boy refused. Okay, why he is refused? Because he is angry for his father. He asked to her father for some money, but his father refused him because he wanted to go to another place for picnic, but his father refused. That's why he getting angry. So अगर आप चाहो तो बहुत सारे सेंटेंस बना सकते हो ऐसे में, और कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कोई सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए. मिस्टेक सबका होता है, मिस्टेक करना भी एक कला है, क्योंकि आप मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे ना तो आप कभी सीख नहीं पाओगे. ओके, तो ये छोटा छोटा है सेंटेंस, उसको आप बड़ा बना सकते हो अपने लेवल में. सो लेट्स सी, लुक एट थिंग्स अराउंड यू एंड नेम देम इन इंग्लिश. ओके, जब आप अपने आमने सामने किसी भी चीज़ को देखते हो तो उसको देखो और अपने माइंड में उसका इंग्लिश में नाम याद करो कि इसका नाम क्या. अगर आपको उसका इंग्लिश में नाम नहीं है पता, इफ़ यू डोंट नो नेम अबाउट द थिंग्स, सो यू कैन ट्रांसलेट इन योर फोन हिंदी टू इंग्लिश एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड you can get result from the Google. Okay, and you can get name from the Google. So it is a very simple. Okay, don't worry about grammar. First think then speak. Okay, आप ग्रामर के चक्कर में रहोगे ना तो आप कभी इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाओ. आप ग्रामर को छोड़ो, पहले सोचो छोटी छोटी बातें और दिमाग में लाओ और बोलने की कोशिश करो. थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश, सोचो इंग्लिश में, इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू फ्लुएंसी. ये आपका फ्लुएंसी में बढ़ाने के लिए आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप यही है कि आप सोचना शुरू करो इंग्लिश में. ओके, एंड वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ मेथड फॉर इम्प्रूविंग आवर इंग्लिश. यू कैन चूज a pic in your phone and you can make a sentence like this. Okay, but I am not interested like this of sentence, but if you need like this, so I will try. Okay, but it is a good method for improving your English, and also I am learning like this. Okay, and I am doing like this for improve my English. So if you are an English learner and if you want to improve your English, so please start your journey like this and you can improve your English as much as possible. Okay, so if you are watching this video. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel and connect with me every day. In this time I will make a video and upload on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.